Hi there, it's Alex here, also known as Defaultsound, and today I'm bringing you a video about a custom Technic build I made for Christmas. It's a Technic Reindeer. I got inspiration from those wire mesh reindeer you might see on outside people's houses, and I thought I might try and build a silhouette of one out of Lego Technic. So I wanted to get the head motion in there as well, so I devised this system, very simple system, of where a cam pushes the head up and down, and the whole head mechanism just moves up and down. And that's done by a bevel gear here that transfers the power to a 8-tooth gear, which then turns this larger gear here, I think this is a 40-tooth gear, and then in here there is the cam bricks. Take the battery pack out. The cam piece in there. So that rotates and moves our head up and down. So we turn it on. That pushes this beam up here, which then pulls this headpiece, or the neck here, up and down. It's run by a small motor, and it's very easy to remove. So you could technically make this hand powered if you wanted. Quite a bit of torque there to turn the head. That's one design flaw I made, where it would have been better to have a linkage to push this up and down. But I built this in one day, and I was just sort of making it up as I went. And I'm quite happy with the design of the back leg. That turned out really nicely. But yeah, the overall effect was just to have the silhouette, and then these are third-party Christmas lights that fit quite nicely through the beam holes. So yeah, once you turn the lights off, the overall effect is quite nice. And it took me about a few hours to build. Just made it up as I went along, trying different lengths and sizes to try and get the proportions right. I think it does justice to a reindeer, and the antlers look quite effective as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that build, and I'll see you next time.